Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope your week is great. I know this lockdown really is bad, but then we just have to hang in there and not go out. Says the person who always goes out. So today's video is going to be about 10 affordable makeup products every makeup beginner or a makeup artist, or not makeup artist obviously, but every makeup lover should have, is what I can say. So if you want to know what they are, please keep on watching the video. I'm going to start from the eyes. I'm going to start from the eyes. So the first thing I would like to share with you guys is obviously the LA Pro Girl Concealer. This is a must buy for people who have dark circles and want to cover it, but it is almost a high coverage, and it depends like how much. If you want to keep it for like some time, let it dry a little and then blend it off, it works wonders. The next concealer is the Age Rewind concealer. This is actually not my shade. I don't know how I ended up buying an ivory shade when my shade probably is a medium or something, but this is a high coverage concealer, is all I can say. This is a very good buy, very good buy. And yeah, I think the prices of the products will be listed anywhere here or here, so yeah, don't worry about that. And the next thing is a compact powder. Compact powder is a must. The one I have is the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder in the shade 235. It is almost over, as you can see, and yeah, I just use it usually to set my under eyes, the places where I tend to get oily and all. So the next one is foundations, and in foundations I would tell you obviously the all-time favorite of everyone, Fit Me. This is, yeah, this is 235. My shade is 235. This is the Fit Me Maybelline Fit Me matte poreless foundation. This is actually awarded the best foundation as far as I know. Yeah, so yeah, this is a must buy. And the next one, if you want like a little higher coverage on your foundation, this is the Superstay foundation, full coverage foundation. So in this, I'm in the shade, great, I don't know my shade. I'm in the shade 128 warm nude. By the way, this thing is actually over, so I kind of put, what do you say, my foundation, and I made it work, and now it just is beautiful. You can see I have so much of product left also. So yeah, you can use this as like the one I use. You can use it as a hand foundation or a leg foundation or anything, and it works wonders. You can also use it on your face. So yeah, these two are a must buy as foundations. Next one I would recommend is the mascaras. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara, and the other one I have is the Lash Grenade Wet n Wild Mascara. Both are from Wet n Wild. I love these mascaras because of their wand, mainly solely because of their wand, because it looks like so. It has, I don't know what, fiber wands, but it really like lifts up your lashes and shows. So these two are my favorite mascaras. Then coming on to the primer is also the Wet n Wild Matte Photo Focus Matte Primer. So I'll just show you this thing here. You can see if it's a little glossy here. I put too much, probably take some out. Just gonna use so much and mattify it. Take some time. Wait, see, you can already see it is mattified. See, that's it. So I would highly recommend this primer for your face before applying anything on your face, and then come back to your moisturizer or whatever. The next thing is obviously a highlighter. My favorite, all-time favorite highlighter, the Master Chrome highlighter. always my favorite. I'm in the shade rose gold, molten rose gold. So yeah, that is a must buy. And if you come to the eyes, like eyeshadows or anything, I don't like, usually not a big fan of eyeshadows, but I own like pretty lot of palettes. But if you want like mostly shimmery kind of shades, I have these two. This is like the pencil kind of eyeshadow. Both are from Miniso. This is the eyeshadow pencil with brush, waterproof and long lasting formula, high pigmented shade. So I think this is the shade 101. This, it looks like, so it has like a big pencil. This is, yeah, this is how the shade looks. It's a very beautiful shade. It's highly pigmented. This is, you can say that it's like a creamy side of a eyeshadow. But if you want like a matte, not matte, like a powder eyeshadow, this is the one. It comes with a brush, these three shades and the brush. It is a pink, golden and a brownish shade. It comes with a brush. So these actually are like, you can't say it is it has a lot of fallout, because it does not. See, that's how much is the payoff of one color, like one stroke. Look at that. So these are the three colors: golden, brown and pink. So this is, if you're looking for a good eyeshadow palette, this is it. And coming to eyeliners, I would recommend the Miniso eyeliner pencil. This is for a more natural, subtle look. This is in the shade 03. I'm sure you would have seen one of my videos. I'll link that video down. Ultra thin waterproof liner. This works very good. Obviously, I have the Lakme Insta liner next in the shade black. And in case you're a person who plays with colors, with the eyeliners, you can use the Lakme Insta liners in other colors. It has brown, blue, green and golden, and then obviously a black. So check these out. Now coming on to the blush, my all-time favorite Fit Me blush. This is in the shade 25 pink. It's almost over. I am about to repurchase it. So yeah, please do check this out. Coming to the lipsticks, I have a few. Actually, I have only two. So both are nudes. So the first one is obviously the Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in Natural Nude 12. This usually is on offer. The actual price of this is 750 rupees. But Nykaa has some sale or anything, it just keeps reducing its price. Sometimes it's 500, sometimes it's 350, sometimes it comes up to 400 and all. So I always buy this on an offer. The next one is the Nykaa Jhumki lipstick. It is from the Matte to Last collection. There are also mini versions of it, but I don't think Jhumki comes under that. Anyway, this retails for like 566, I mean 599 or 499 or something like that. So yeah, this is the Nykaa Jhumki collection. And the last thing I have is an eyebrow pencil, which is also from Miniso, which is actually very affordable. And I really love Miniso products because they are cheap and it actually works. Like there are some makeup brands which are cheap but they don't work, but Miniso is not a brand like that. Even though Miniso is not a makeup brand, but it works pretty well. And this is what I'm actually wearing right now on my eyebrows, and I don't find any difference and all. Like I don't want to spend my money on like a Benefit eyebrow product or a Miss Claire or the Nykaa's brow stick or something. So yeah, I'm happy with this. This retails for like 150 rupees. And yeah, it goes for like 2-3 months. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys found it informative and you buy some of them. And if you do, please do comment down if it was helpful and if I did actually do a good job please do support and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Would mean the absolute world if you subscribe to my channel. Please do keep telling me new content to do so that I don't miss out on what you guys also want. So yeah, have a great week ahead. Bye bye, love you all.